Want to change your clan's name in PUBG Mobile but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to buy clan rename card in PUBG Mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the arrow icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on the clan button. Select the shop button from the right side. The clan redeem card costs about 300 coins. If you are sure that you want to buy, tap on the 300 coin button from the bottom left corner of your screen. Lastly, tap on the purchase button. And that's how you can buy clan redeem card in PUBG Mobile. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.